G'day there, Eric Bakker, naturopath, author of Candida Crusher. Another question for you, which I get asked every now and then. Is there anything I can do at home to cure my yeast infection? Well, there are lots of things you can do at home. And if you're talking about a vaginal yeast infection, I'm just going to read you a small section out of my book, Candida Crusher. So I look at a three-stage approach when it comes to vaginal yeast infections. Stage 1 is reducing inflammation, wiping out bacteria and the yeast infection. Stage 2 is cleanse and restore, return acid-alkaline balance back to normal. Stage 3 is to soothe the irritation and calm any itching or burning skin. So this is a section out of my quick start guide, which is the 4th chapter in the book. The stage 1 is an antifungal and antibacterial douche you can use. And a thing that you may want to try is New Zealand's Manuka honey with the high UMF factor, or unique Manuka factor, which is a very powerful antibacterial, antifungal action that this honey has. So you would use 1 to 2 tablespoons of this honey warmed up. You could add a couple of cloves of finely chopped garlic to this honey and just gently warm it. And you would apply this honey to the affected area vaginally, and you would leave that there for about 30 minutes or longer for the action to take place. It's very soothing. After you've completed stage 1, you can give the area a good clean and a good rinse with some apple cider vinegar. This is the cleansing douche. So 2 tablespoons to a small bowl of warm water. Add 1 teaspoon of a good quality colloidal silver. Again, you just give that area a good cleanse and a good wash. Dry gently with a soft towel and use a hairdryer to dry it completely. And then the 3rd stage would be the soothing, calming for the irritated and burning skin, would be to use a yogurt cleanse. So you could apply yogurt to the area. Just get a small carton of low-fat, high-quality yogurt and apply this to the area and leave that there. You will leave that there again for a little while, or you could even leave it overnight if you use an applicator to insert. You could use a large maxi pad and leave the yogurt for several hours. This 3-stage approach has a very nice soothing and calming and antibacterial effect and can be used quite regularly. So that is a home treatment for vaginal yeast infection. I'll cover other kinds of home treatments in other videos. So you can read a lot more about these tips in my book, Candida Crusher. So I hope that answers your question.